Hello, good evening students. Today I will teach you the malnutrition or the protein deficiency diseases or deficiency diseases. पिछले क्लास में हमने आपको बताया था बैलेंस डाइट, उसके बाद बैलेंस डाइट is mandatory for the growth of the human body, but at the same time अगले क्लास में मैंने बताया था केवल बैलेंस डाइट से ही काम नहीं होगा। बैलेंस डाइट के साथ साथ उस डाइट का प्रॉपर कुकिंग होना चाहिए। कुकिंग के लिए वो इतना अधिक वाटर नहीं यूज होना चाहिए, फ्रूट या वेजिटेबल्स के सारे पील्स नहीं हटा दिए जाने चाहिए। इट शुड नॉट बी वॉश्ड आफ्टर रिमूविंग द पील्स, रीजन बिहाइंड वाटर soluble minerals will washed away. It should not be cooked at high temperature so that the mineral and nutrients will burn. It should not be reheating of the food, should be avoided. So these all things are there that we must take care while preparing the food to preserve maximum vitamins, nutrients, proteins, minerals are the present in the food for balanced diet. Now, what are the diseases caused due to diet, due to food? In that, today we will discuss the deficiency diseases. What is the deficiency disease? Deficiency diseases are those it is caused due to lack of fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals in our daily life. See, in our daily life we are putting vitamin, minerals, fats, carbohydrates. If lack is there due to unbalanced diet, then these are called deficiency diseases. These are called deficiency diseases. Of types of deficiency diseases, we have protein deficiency diseases. Protein protein deficiency diseases. So then now we will discuss it. What is the protein deficiency diseases? If a child does not get enough protein, if the child does not get enough protein in the diet, then the child suffer from malnutrition. Child suffer from malnutrition. I told you this is a very common proficiency disease in the children are kwashiorkor. Very common is kwashiorkor. The common disease is kwashiorkor. Now, सवाल अब तुम्हें ये उठता है कि अगर माल न्यूट्रिशन होता है तो कैसे होता है? कैसे होता है जरा सोचने की कोशिश करो। अगर ऐसा होता है तो कैसे होगा? Very simple. The child, state one answer, the child suffered from, very simple, the child suffered from deficiency in the protein. This disease is very common in the children below 5 years of age. It is common in the children below 5 years of age. Then, fourth question, generally who suffers kwashiorkor? Who suffered kwashiorkor? Now, what are the symptoms for the diseases? What are the symptoms for the protein deficiency diseases? What are the symptoms? What are the symptoms? My question is, what are the symptoms? Symptoms. What are the symptoms for kwashiorkor disease? Kwashiorkor. What are the symptoms for the kwashiorkor disease? इसका सिम्टम क्या होता है, जरा कभी सोचने की कोशिश किया हो? स्टंट ग्रोथ, इसकी ग्रोथ प्रॉपर नहीं होती है। नंबर 1 पॉइंट, स्टंट ग्रोथ। नंबर 2, स्किन बिकम्स ड्राई एंड स्केली। सिम्टम में symptom, stunt growth, stunted growth, stunted growth, स्किन बिकम्स, स्किन कैसा होता है? ड्राई हो जाएगा, स्केली हो जाएगा। स्किन ड्राई, स्केली। स्किन बिकम्स ड्राई एंड स्केली। हेयर बिकम्स रेडिश एंड बिगिन टू फॉल। Hair reddish and falls. Hair is your reddish and falls, गिरता है, बाल झड़ने की बीमारी हो जाती है। रेडिश डबल डी है, reddish and fall. The body swells. क्यों swell करता है? Body swells due to retention of water. Actually, body of the child swells due to retention of water. Leg become thin and bony. Leg of the child become thin. Leg of the child become thin. and bony. Large pot-like belly. The small child whose stomach has come out. Large pot-like belly. Bulging eyes. These are the symptoms of Kwashiorkor diseases. These are the symptoms of Kwashiorkor diseases. We have already discussed, children. Now you will be answering my all the 4 or 5 questions. The symptoms of Kwashiorkor diseases. Okay? They may ask you a few questions. Which type of disease is found in which child's belly bulging out of the eye, and limbs twisted, thin limb, bony? You can say it is a Kwashiorkor diseases. Okay? So, children, we will discuss these further diseases, protein, carbohydrate and fat deficiency diseases in next class. Okay? By the time you prepare and write all the question answers, we will meet you tomorrow. Thank you.